Welcome back, students. So in previous session we did area of a square and area of a rectangle. We have find some formula, that is area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth and area of a square is equal to side into side. Now on the basis of that some solved examples are given. Let's see the first question. Find the area of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 12 cm and 4 cm respectively. So what we will do, length of the rectangle is given 12 cm, breadth of the rectangle is given 4 cm. Use the formula to find the area of the rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So what is your answer? 12 cm into 4 cm will give you 48 square centimeter. 2 times centimeter is repeated, so square centimeter. Next question, find the area of a square plot of side 8 meter. Side of the square is equal to 8 meter. We know the formula. Area of the square is equal to side into side. Substitute the value. 8 meter into 8 meter is equal to 64 square meter. Next question, the area of a rectangular piece of cardboard is 36 square centimeter and the length is 9 centimeter. What is the width of the cardboard? So here you have given the area of the square rectangular piece of cardboard and you want to find what is the width. Means length is given and area is given. So what is the width? So area of the rectangle is equal to what? Length into width. So width is equal to what? Area divided by length. 36 divided by 9. Your answer is 4 centimeter. So the width of the rectangular cardboard is 4 centimeter. Next question. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meter wide and 4 meter long by square tiles. If each square tile is of side 0.5 meter, then find the number of tiles required to cover the floor of the room. So here what is given? Length of the room is given, breadth of the room is given, and you want to cover the whole area by tiles. And the measurement of each tile is given, that is one side of tile is given, that is 0.5, because the dimension, the shape of the tiles is square. So what we have to do here, first of all we have to find the area of a floor, that is length into breadth is equal to 3 meter into 4 meter is equal to 12 square meter. Now area of one square tile is equal to side into side. So that is 0.25 square meter. Now if you understand this concept, suppose this is your 4 meter and 3 meter floor is covered. Now if you want to put a tiles, so you want for this area, one tile covering this much area. So 0.5 into 0.5, because the dimension, it is in square shape, so dimension is same for all sides. So 0.5 into 0.5, you are getting the answer 0.25 square meter. So one tiles cover only 0.25 square meter area. Okay, and we want to cover total 12 square meter area. So how many number of tiles required? So what we have to do? Total area divided by area of tiles. So what is our total area? 4 3s are 12. So total area is 12 divided by the area of one tile will give you the number of tiles divided by 0.25. So what you are getting the answer? Here number of tiles required is equal to area of the floor divided by area of one tile, which is equal to 12 divided by 0.25, which is equal to 1200 divided by 25. Here it is 0.25. If you reduce the decimal, so it is 25 divided by 100. That 100 will go up. Division of division will go up. This is 12 divided by 25 divided by 100. When you remove the decimal point, so it is 25 divided by 100. Now division of division, that is 25. 12 divided by 25. Now this is division of division will always go upstairs. So it is 12 into 100 divided by 25. So this way it becomes 1200 divided by 25. Now what is your answer? When you do the cancellation, your answer is 48 tiles. Next question, find the area in square meter of a piece of cloth 1 meter 25 centimeter wide and 2 meter long. So length of the cloth is 2 meter and breadth 1 meter 25 centimeters, so which is equal to 1.25 meter. Since 25 centimeter is equal to 0.25 meter, so area of the cloth is equal to what? Length of the cloth 2 meter into 1.25 meter is equal to 2.50 square meter. So this centimeter is converted into meter. Okay, that's why here it is 1 meter plus 0.25 meter. When this two addition you do, you will get 1.25 meter. So this is the conversion is given over here. Now area is what? This is length and breadth. So length is 2 meter multiplied by breadth is 1.25 meter. When you do the calculation, your answer is 2.50 square meter. So this way you can understand the concept of area of square and rectangle, and I have explained all the solved examples which helps you to solve the exercise 10.3. Not all questions are I am going to solve. Few questions I will give you as a homework, so you will try to do by yourself if you have thoroughly understood these solved examples. Thank you.